The design of this office was really set up for ergonomics, and so there was a lot of thought and preparation to build a really inviting work environment that's comfortable and collaborative. If you looked around, there's a lot of spaces where employees can meet and collaborate. We've got a kitchen, we've got a living room, a family room, we've got a wellness room.
Are you kidding me? You have a nap room? Yep, that's exactly what we have here.
What matters the most to her when you talk to Pam is taking care of her employees.
The benefits to any company to be able to promote a healthier environment and to promote your employees to really like where they're going is going to pay off tenfold. The employee retention is the biggest key that you will find.
Being in a healthy work environment, there's greater job satisfaction, morale is improved, people want to come work here. One of our goals is to provide really healthy options for our employees.
As you come into the Sartell Group, what you're going to find is they immediately see the fresh fruit when they walk in. So this is really, they can grab it, it's quick, it's right on the baskets and it's right in there, so they're running in, they can grab something and head out to their office. We have granola, we have yogurt. It really is a fully stocked kitchen that has everything that they would want. You can start small. You don't have to have a full-blown kitchen to make it, you know, great for the employees.
It's just a win-win across the board. So Pam as an owner really benefits because she's got dedicated long-term employees. And as an employee you benefit, you've got a great work environment to come into every day. That matters. I mean, you really feel like you're valued as an employee and that the owner of the company really cares about what matters to you.